Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Thursday, and I'm going to make some breakfast for dinner.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And there was Pink Fairy showing off her FUPA-friendly counters in the mobile home, the 1986 renovated mobile home. And yep, this is a Pink Fairy video. Pink Fairy under toi. For those feeling fancy, oui. Let me just say that Pink Fairy, is peeving me off a little bit. Now, I know I'm diplomatic, I'm fair, I understand if you have an illness, it's all relative to you, but it's also relative to your perspective. So her titles have been so clickbaity lately, like more than usual. This one is called Living with Diabetes / It's Hard, don't know what's hard, / home living. Oh, I guess she meant mobile home living. Look at that. Her multiple chins, all there. She doesn't talk about anything to do with diabetes in this video. Again, you have the other one, low carb eating, not this time. Muffin lasagna, mobile home living. And then she also has other ones, foodie, being a foodie, which, she's a foodie. And living with diabetes. So she's clickbaiting her diabetes, not talking about it at all, which I think is a disservice to her audience. So far, when she talks about her diabetes, it's a lot of misinformation. But that's enough about me going on and on. Let's get into this one. You guys know the drill. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. I appreciate it. And leave a comment down below. Let's go.
And then I'm going to mix the potatoes. I'm going to do some hash browns with them. And some butter and sausage patties with them, eggs. And probably some cottage cheese, because I eat cottage cheese with everything, because I love cottage cheese. Yes, I do. So see, this is how it goes. Then I'm going to cut and wash all this, put over here. Let it dry out a little bit, because I'm going to do a bell pepper with it too. I'm not going to do celery with it, but I'm just going to get it cleaned and washed up and ready for eating, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So I got the pan over here for the sausages, but I think I'm going to do...
By the way, I do want to mention, so she was saying on her other video about her counter how they're scratch resistant, because a lot of people commented she's not using a cutting board. I even commented, like, no cutting board, but apparently her counters are scratch resistant.
I think I'm going to start with the hash browns first.
Okay.
I do believe. That's what I'm going to do. And I got the floor swept and one load of laundry done, which that's all I needed. And that's it. Got a wax warmer going over there.
Fancy. Tim's out in
the garage messing around while I'm getting our dinner made. It rained all night last night. Oh, did it ever. It's poured. Poured. Now it's raining again.
So I did notice she said, Tim is out in my garage doing something. I don't know, it's just a very, I found that phrasing odd. Usually if you're in a partnership, now listen, a lot of you come at me saying, all caps at me, they aren't married. Well, they're obviously in some sort of relationship, partnership, whether it's for convenience. There have been wild theories out there that Pink Fairy is a beard. I don't know. But to say he's in my garage, just odd phrasing to me.
It's 52 degrees out or something like that, I think. I do not like this white part, so yes. A lot of celery. So bye-bye. Now I ain't saying it.
All right. People at the embassy, I hope you're on alert. Something about soup. I don't know. Let's listen to it 2 more times. Hear what she's mumbling about. It is something to do with celery. We have the context.
Now I ain't saying it. These I'm just going to shred.
No clue. Embassy people, leave your comment down below. Thank you very much. Your service is appreciated.
I may cut a little bit. I don't know. We'll probably eat most of this with peanut butter. Mainly.
Oh yeah.
We'll mainly eat it for.
You put some some peanut butter on there. Maybe get the natural kind so you're not getting like the fructose. Maybe if you're feeling a little frisky, put some dark chocolate chips on there. You got a perfect kindergarten snack, but low carb.
Okay. Now we'll do this.
Oh my God.
Should be simple and easy to do.
I guess the peppers are for the hash browns.
Oh, no, because then water goes in, right?
The celery she's pre-cutting, which, you know what, I have no problem with that. Meal prepping, you could grab your celery. Sounds good to me.
You do that, you know.
Maybe the peppers are as well. Oh God, this scares me.
Just like hash brown, but you gotta be careful. Don't get too close. That's why I cut so many. Because I'm not risking it. I done did that. Once just not too long ago, and I'm not doing that again. I don't care. Cut my hand twice. One was right on my thumb tip. I think I showed you guys that. That was horrible.
She did show us. God, her knuckles are really close to that box grater. But she even called the doctor about it because she was cutting something and she cut the tip of her thumb. I think she also cut her index finger as well. But she called her doctor because it wasn't healing as it should because she's diabetic. And when you have uncontrolled blood sugars, one of the complications is poor wound healing. And that's like one of the major ones that lead to amputations. And if you think your fingers can't get amputated because of diabetes, normally you see people with their lower extremities, their foot, their leg amputated. Fingers as well. I've seen it in dialysis, which is unfortunate. But girl, I don't know, get a guard or something for that.
I'll probably just try to fry it up into one big. Let me scoot that back. Yeah, I can put my belly up there like this.
Oh my God.
One big hash brown.
So a lot of you have said in the comments, she's trying to be like Chantal. Maybe. You know, that is like a Chantal Foodie Beauty patented move with the fupa hoist onto the fupa friendly counters.
And then we'll just eat off of it. Cut a piece off, whatever.
Okay, so that's about it for this video. Does not talk about her diabetes, really. Shows her breakfast. She says she only has a little bit of hash browns because, you know, because of her diabetes. You know, it's not horrible. Of course, those sausages are loaded with sodium. But eggs, low carb. She also has cottage cheese on the side. I just wish if she's going to put diabetes in her title, she actually talks about it, what she's having a hard time with, why she's having a hard time with it, if she's if she's spoken to, I'm starting to speak like Pink Fairy, Lord help me, if she has spoken to any of her health professionals, what she can do to, you know, help herself, help her family, get everyone on board with the eating, the exercise, all of that. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching me. Like I said, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, she did do the peppers.